For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete detailing of O-shape building, multi-story building by using ETABS software. Okay. So initially I will show you the model and specifications which are involved in that respected O-shape building. Then after that I will explain you how to import that particular model to CSI detailing and complete designing process by using CSI detailing version. Okay. So here I am selecting my ETABS software. So this is my O-shape building. So I was already done the modeling process and analysis process for this particular structure. So go to click on define option. So for this building I was taken M40 grade concrete and HYSD bars of 500. Again in the same process I was consider the frame sections which is consisting of beam size of 0.35 cross 0.23 and column size of 0.46 cross 0.23. In the same process slab thickness I was taken as approximately 150 mm for this particular structure. Okay. So after applying all the load cases we need to do the detailing process. So before that we need to add the strip condition system in both X and Y direction condition for different floors. Go to edit option for that, click on edit grid strips option, click on add strips option, select the story number 8 in X direction with A, click on apply option so that it will apply the grid in X direction in the 8th floor. In the same process we have to apply the grid in Y direction condition for this particular structure with the grid layer is B. So click on apply option so that it will apply the grids in the Y direction condition. In the same process we have to apply the grid strips for the remaining floors. So now we can see all the grids are applied for this particular structure. Then we have to click on OK option. So again we have to do the analysis process for this multi-story building of O shape. So for that we have to click on analyze option, set load cases to run option again click on run now option. So that it will do the analysis process for the building structure with the help of the grid sections in X direction as well as the Y direction. So now we can see this is the deflection diagram with the help of the grid conditions. Now we have to design the beams and columns. Go to select the design option, concrete frame design, select the view revised preferences option, select the code will be of IS 456 2000, click on OK option. Again in the same process we have to click on design option, concrete frame design. So click on start design check so that it will start designing check for the respective frame section for the O-shape building structure. So now we have to design the slab section for this. Go to click on the slab designing section, click on view revised preferences option. So select the IS 456, click on OK option. Again in the same process we have to select this option again. Again we have to select the stories for the design. Next I am selecting story number 8 to story number 2, click on OK option. Again in the same process we have to click on this slab designing check, click on the start design check so that it will start designing check for the respective slab section under considerations of the load cases for the O-shape building. So now we can see this is the slab strip design for the layer A, top and bottom reinforcement intensity diagram. So now we have to save the model, whatever the model that we have done till the designing process. So now we have to check the detailing process in ETABS 18 CSI detailing. So for that firstly we have to close this ETABS software. So now I am opening my CSI detailing version 18 software. So click on the file option, click on new detailing option. So in this we need to select the model initially, just I am selecting O shape option. Just I am selecting here. Initially the model will be open in ETABS software, then after that it will be directly imported to CSI detailing version. So now we have to click on OK option. So initially we need to select some of the important data regarding the minimum center to center distance values. So select this detailing option. Select the units will be rebar section will be of SI system and rebar will be of ton and load will be in kilonewton option. Click on OK option. Now select the preferences option as per IS 456 2000 codal provision. Click on OK. Click on the concrete detailing preferences. Select the beam option. Rename that to B option. Again I am selecting the column. Just I am renaming that to column. Again I am selecting the wall. Just I am changing that to wall option. Okay. So click on OK option again. Again I am selecting concrete preferences option here. So you can select the parameters as per your consideration. Click on rebar rules option. Select the minimum spacing option, maximum spacing option as per the definition. Just I am selecting as per my consideration. Minimum spacing is 120 and maximum spacing is 450 value. Again I am selecting here as 120, 120, 120 value. this value will be comes under 450 value. This is 450 value, 450 value, and last one is also 450 value. Click on the column. This time selecting the minimum spacing option is 120 value, and this respected value will be comes under 450 value. Click on OK option. Again in the same process we have to click on OK option, so that it will start detailing for this particular structure under considerations of the load cases for the 7 to 8 story building structure for the O shape building. Then after that I will show you the detailing process for the slab section, beam sections, column section. So this is the rebar plan. So this is the top rebar plan option for this. Again in the same process we have to select the bottom rebar plan for this consideration. Next I am selecting the bottom rebar plan for this consideration. So again in the same process we have to select the all rebar plan. So this is the all rebar plan option. Double click on it. It will load all rebar plans here like this. Just click on the rebar cage way option. So now we can see this is the rebar plan for this particular slab section under consideration. So you can load the results which has comes under this different types of the floors. So again I am selecting beam reinforcement. Just I am selecting directly the elevation section 8B1. Let us consider. Just I am selecting A. This is the beam reinforcement section at section A, section C, section B, section C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. So in the same process we can load the rebar cage view for this beam. Just I am selecting here. So that it will load the rebar cage view for this respected particular structure here like this. In the same process I am selecting column detailing option. Select the concrete column on elevation section. So you can select any one of the column. Just I am selecting C1. Double click on it so that it will load the column section here like this. At A, B, C, D, E option. Directly click on the rebar cage view so that it will load the rebar cage view for this respected particular structure. You can see the reinforcement here, which is consisting of approximately a 10 number of the bars, okay, which is of 60 mm diameter. So this is the concrete column and designing results for this particular structure. So this is the complete process of detailing of O-shape building by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you. For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google, so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com.